Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss the problem of the day. Linked list of strings forms a palindrome. So in this problem we'll be given a linked list which will be consisting of strings, and from the linked list of strings we have to first of all generate a string, and then we have to check that whether the generated string is a palindrome or not. Let's take the sample example. So let's say we have been given the example as AB, BC, D. So let's write this. Let's say we have been given a linked list of strings. We have A, then we have got BC, okay. Then after that we have got what? We have got D, and then we have got what? We have got DCB, and then after that we have got what? We have got A here. Then after that we have got null. So basically this is the linked list that is given to us. We are basically given the head of the linked list, and you can see every element is a string in itself, right? So what will happen here is we will start our current from the head node, okay, and we will generate a string, let's say as str. Now whatever characters are coming our way, we'll add them. So first of all, current is at A, like current is at this string which exists, so I'll add it in my answer, in my str. Now after that my current will move to the current next, so current will move forward. So now current will stand here. Now the string is BC, so I'll add it afterwards, so BC will be added here. Then after this what will happen? My current will proceed to the next element, so current is equal to current dot next. Now we are at this particular string, so we'll add it in our answer, okay, whatever is the current data we'll add it. Then after that we'll move our current to the current next, so current will move here. Now we are here, so we'll add what? We'll add DCB here, okay. Then we'll move our current to the current next, so our current will move here. Now we'll add this particular string here. Now after this what will happen? Our current will move to the current next, so current will move here, and now this point is null, okay, so then we stop. Now you can see that when we have got this particular linked list here, so once the linked list was given to us, right, so we have iterated throughout the linked list and we have generated the string which is consisting of all the strings that were there in the linked list, okay. Now we have to check whether this final generated string is palindrome or not. How can we check? So we can keep one pointer in the starting, let's say I pointer, one pointer at the end, let's say j pointer. So I will start from 0, j will start from n minus 1. Now if the ith and jth characters are same, so we'll move our I forward and we'll move our j backward, okay. Still I and j are same, both are b, so I'll move my I forward and we'll move our j backward. So now still I and j are same, so now we'll move our I forward and we'll move our j backward. So still you can see I is d and j is also d, they are same. So when I'll increase my I now and decrease my j, so both will cross each other, and the moment they cross each other, this means that the linked list was palindrome, because we have checked throughout the linked list the corresponding character from the starting is same as the corresponding character from the ending. So that is why the overall linked list is palindromic. If any ith character from the starting is not the same as the corresponding jth character from the ending, then we'll return false, that the linked list that we have generated from the given linked list of strings is not palindrome, okay. So let's quickly try and implement the code for this, where we have to return the boolean answer. So what we will do here is, first of all, we will declare a node, let's say star current is equal to what? Let's say the head node, okay. Current will initially start at the head. Now after that we can declare a string, let's say str, right. Initially we can mark it as empty. Now after this what we will do is, we'll say that while the current is not equal to null, till that point of time we'll iterate, okay. Then what will we do? We'll say that string plus is equal to what? Current data, right. Whatever current node we are at, whatever data or whatever string it is having, we'll add it in our final answer string, and we'll keep on moving our current to the next node. So current is equal to current arrow next. This is like doing current is equal to, like I is equal to I plus 1. Current is equal to current dot next is same as I is equal to I plus 1 in a normal array. Now what will happen? We'll move to the next node here, right. The moment this is done, so our string is ready. Now we can say that the I will be standing at 0, and then the j pointer will be standing at where? At the str dot size minus 1, that is at the n minus 1th character, okay, n minus 1th index. Now after this we'll say that while the I value is less than j, while they do not cross each other, till that point of time we'll iterate. And if what happens is, if the str of I, if the ith character from the starting is the same as the jth character from the ending, so in that case we can say that we'll move our I forward and j backward, okay. Otherwise, if they are not same, the moment we find any ith character from the starting which is not the same as the corresponding jth character from the ending, then we need to return false, that the string is no longer palindrome. So we will return false here. Otherwise, at the end, if the loop is over, this means that the linked list was palindrome, so we should return true here, okay. Now let's try and compile this code. to see if it is working fine or not. You can see it is working fine for the sample. Let's try and submit this code and it should get accepted now. Okay, so the code gets accepted. I hope that you are clear with the approach used in this particular problem. If you have understood it clearly, please make sure to mention understood in the chat and make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.